Compliance work is rarely a single answer. It needs structure, evidence, review, and clear control over sensitive data. This overview shows how EtherAssist supports the full journey from draft to assurance. The workflow begins with structure. EtherAssist helps compliance teams move from a clear brief to a working policy or procedure draft. The goal is not to replace review. It is to remove blank page work and give the team a stronger, auditable starting point. Plain language requirements move from discussion into structured control content the team can review, refine, and own. EtherAssist is not just producing text, it is helping shape repeatable, evidence-friendly outputs for governance, assurance, and audit. For ISO 27001 work, the assistant can support artifacts such as a statement of applicability. Compliance teams can shape the response around control intent, implementation status, and evidence expectations. The statement of applicability is where ISO 27001 ties controls to reality, with applicability, justification, and evidence in one view. EtherAssist turns that work into a table compliance teams can keep current rather than recreate before each audit. Audit evidence needs to be specific. EtherAssist helps turn the request into a clearer evidence narrative and supporting checklist. That gives internal and external reviewers a cleaner path through what was requested, what exists, and what still needs attention. Audit evidence requests are shaped for the recipient, with the right level of detail for IT, HR, suppliers, and control owners. That keeps audit preparation a managed process rather than a reactive scramble. When the work is ready, exports make it easier to share drafts, evidence, and summaries with stakeholders. Compliance output leaves the chat as a reviewable artifact, not just a transient response. The assurance story includes data control. EtherAssist keeps web and back-end processing in the UK, while customer data, backups, and backup AI can align to UK, US, and European regional requirements. That is the commercial point. Teams get practical AI assistance without losing sight of sovereignty, residency, and control. Regional controls give buyers a direct answer about where their tenant data is held across UK, Europe, and United States storage options. IT and compliance teams use the same view to map EtherAssist to internal residency commitments without rebuilding their own diagram. EtherAssist helps compliance teams draft, review, evidence, and govern AI-assisted work from one controlled workspace. Book a demo to see how it fits your compliance and data control requirements.